Hello and welcome back to my channel eMaths, and today I'm going to tell you how to convert units bigger into smaller and smaller into bigger as well. So for that you need to remember this sentence, and that is King Harry died, mother didn't cried much. If you can remember this, you can convert any unit to any units. Like here you just need to remember this King Harry died, mother didn't cry much, then note down the initials of it. So here this K stands for kilometers, kilograms, kiloliters. H is for hectometers, D is for decameters. Kilometers, hectometers, decameters. This is meters. This will be decimeters. This is going to be centimeters, and the small m is for millimeters. Now at every jump, like if you have to convert kilometers to hectometers, you need to multiply it by 10. Similarly, if you have to convert hectometers to decameters, again multiply by 10, and so on. Like at each jump you have to multiply it by 10 to convert into a smaller unit. Of course, you need to remember that if you are converting a bigger unit to smaller, you multiply. But when you are converting a smaller unit to bigger unit, you need to divide. So same case will be for the conversion of a smaller unit to bigger unit. At each jump you need to divide by 10. Like here you need to divide it by 10. This divided by 10, and so on. Now if you know this, then what happens? Well, if you have to find out how many meters are there in 1 kilometer, so you can simply make it like this. Now see how many zeros are there in between kilometers and meters. We have 1, 2 and 3. That means 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So if you know this, then you can convert any given kilometers to meters. And if you have to convert meters into centimeters, now how many zeros are falling in between? We have 2 zeros. That means 1 meter has 100 centimeters. This way you can convert, like you can see hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters. You can convert any given unit into any other unit. So just remember, when converting a bigger unit to smaller unit, you need to multiply. And when I'll just write this down. When converting bigger unit to smaller, we multiply. When we have to convert smaller to bigger, we divide. Small to big, we divide. For example, you have been asked to convert 5.5 kilometers to meters. As we all know, 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So we'll simply multiply 5.5 by 1000 to get your answer. So that will be 5500 meters. It's just that if you know by which number we have to multiply, you can simply do it. Like if it would have been 5.5 meters to kilometers, so you should have divided it by 1000 to get your answer in kilometers. So when you are converting a bigger unit to smaller, you are multiplying, and when you're converting a smaller unit to bigger, we are dividing. So please learn this sentence and just get thorough with all kinds of conversions. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing, keep watching. Have a good day.